This video was entirely filmed on SONY A7S III paired with a Sigma 16mm at f1.4 in XAVC-HS 4K, 60 frames per second, 10-bit 420 S-Log3. Okay, so basically I'm in the dark. There is no light in this room, as you can see, apart from this moon here, and the screen. I mean, this doesn't really count because it's completely dark. But yeah, this is the only light source, and the A7S III paired with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 is using the autofocus so well. Like, look, this is my hand in focus, and now this is the screen in focus. Hand in focus, screen in focus, and I'm only at 160 ISO, which is remarkable already. So let's do a test. Let's try and go even higher, from ISO 160 to 200, 250, 320, 400, 500, 640, 800. Wow, it's already looking so good. 1000, 1250, 1600, 2000. And this is actually already looking pretty well. 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6400, 8000, 10,000, and drum roll, 12,800. I mean, guys, like, look at my hand. My hand looks like it's lit by the sun in this moment. You remember where we started from? Let me just drop down for a second to where we started. There you go. This is the light here. It's completely dark. What I see in the viewfinder now is pretty loyal to what I see with my naked eye. Now let's get back to the second base ISO, which is 12,800. It's just magic. I can't believe that I can see my hand. If I look out of the viewfinder now, my hand is pretty much in the dark. It's ridiculous. But let's try and push it even further. Let me go up to 16,000. Wow. Although 16,000 is not the second base ISO, it's still looking pretty darn good. The image quality is still very good. I mean, this is definitely a usable clip. It's almost looking like the room is lit by the sun, but it's actually just lit by that moon and this screen. Let's try and go even further. 20,000 now. 25,000, sorry, and 600. 32,000. I mean, look, I can see all around me. 40,000, guys. I'm at 40,000 in this moment. It's crazy, it's crazy. I can see the window, but I almost can't see it with my naked eye. Let's go higher. 51,200. So now, as you can see, this is getting completely blown out. You can't see what's going on the screen anymore. Even the moon is getting completely blown out. You can barely see the edges. 64,000. 80,000. Okay, we've just crossed the 100k threshold. We're at 102,400. We're almost on the top. 128,000. Look at the wall. This room now is looking like it's lit by the sun. 160,000. Hello, this is one of my sleeper. Okay, I can't even pronounce this. 204,800. 256,000. 320,000. Amazing. And finally, we're on the top. 409,600. Wow. Look, this is like being on the surface of the sun. Completely blown out, of course. You can't see anything. Let's get back to 12,800. And there you go. I'm completely blown away by the capabilities of this camera. It's marvelous. I'm so happy of this purchase. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing for more contents like this. Watch one of these 2 videos and see you at the next one. Bella!